Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 13 of our 28-day knitting challenge. Today we're learning a really fun and slightly fancy stitch, twisted ribbing. While making a simple, elegant coaster, twisted ribbing is just like regular ribbing, but with a little twist, like literally. It gives you a more defined structure look. If you ever wonder how to add a polished texture to your knits, this is the perfect stitch to try. And by the end of this video, you will have this cute little 4 inches or 10 centimeter square coaster, perfect for your coffee or as a gift. So grab your needle and let's get started. We are going to make twisted ribbing. That is a variation of the classic ribbing. We will work into the back loop of the stitch instead of the front. This create a tighter, more definite look with a bit of elasticity. You will often see ribbing stitch twisted ribbon in the cuff or in the hems of sweaters, and it adds this decorative edge. Alright, let's get started. We will cast as usually our 15 stitches using the long tail cast on. Now, if you're new to this method, don't worry. It's just a smooth way to create a stretchy foundation. You open your finger and create stitches. Now, let's work into the pattern. Now for row 1, instead of knitting through the front loop as usual, we go through the back loop and we knit our first stitch. This will create the twisted knit. Then we purl as usual. Remember to move the working yarn between stitches. Then again, we go through the back loop, purl as usual. Knit through the back loop, purl, knit to the back loop, purl, until only one stitch remains on the left needle. Knit to the back loop, purl, to the back loop, purl, and this last stitch we continue knitting to the back loop. And this is your first row. Now we turn, and for row 2 we start purling through the back loop. So we purl through the back loop and knit as usual. Is exactly the opposite as we did in the previous row. Until the end, you just purl to the back loop and knit as usual. The last stitch will be another purl to the back loop. So we have the two edges clear and neat. See how it's creating this crisp columns? That's why I really like the twisted ribbing. And when you reach 4 inches or 10 centimeters, you're ready to bind off. Now you will bind off in pattern, meaning you knit the stitches and purl the 4 stitches and bind off until 1 stitch remains. So you knit the first 2 and as usual you pass the stitch over to bind off. You knit, then is a purl, and you continue pattern all the way. This is a knit. Oh, I forgot. Okay. This is a purl. I totally missed that. Okay, last one is a knit, and then we cut the yarn and that's it. Twisted ribbon coaster. I hope you loved making this little project. If you try it, let me know in the comment or tag me on Instagram. I love to see your work. And make sure to like this video, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's challenge. We're building skills one stitch at a time, and I can't wait to see where this journey will take you. Happy knitting, see you tomorrow!